Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I'm just following up on Beyond Meat because I started covering it last week, and so I just kind of want to circle back to it. Look, I've taken a lot of profits. In fact, at present, I don't own any. I had stock, I had call options, and I was short puts, and I closed them all today. I don't think that the stock's done going up. I just think that the stock, and listen to me, this is important, at least I think it is. I think the stock is actually kind of beyond that point where the potential for further profits, while it's still there, the potential for further profits is drastically outweighed by the potential for the stock pulling back. In other words, you know, as it sits here, say at 115, I don't know whether the next top is at 130, 15 up, or if it's down at 100, 15 down. Stocks like this don't go up forever. I was looking, and I remember saying this back here, that I could see this stock running up to 120 bucks before earnings. I do think it's still going to do that. I'll be honest with you, I didn't really foresee it happening today or as fast as it is. But when you see a stock that's up like this, if an experienced trader would probably have been out before now because they've seen stocks reverse quickly and give them losses when they could have taken really good gains. They've seen that enough times to where they go like, no, I'm not going to make that mistake here. I don't want to catch it all, but this is a pretty good trade, so I'll go ahead and book profits. On the other hand, you'll get people, they're kind of like the Bitcoin folks that bought at 20,000. They're actually still holding. It becomes a religion where you're looking at Beyond Meat, you're buying here at 114.34, and you think this pullback from 115.50 is a key buying opportunity. Now, it may very well be, but the stock is up. Look where it's trading after hours. Stock continues to trickle higher. I think that if the stock hits 120, you kind of have to take some. You just kind of have to take some profits. This is just too hot for me to handle, and that's not to say that I won't be back into it in the morning if the stock continues to move higher, but it would be for a day trade. Also, keep something in mind. I hate to be a conspiracy theorist, but I've been trading for over 2 decades, and I've seen stocks like this get knocked down by analysts who will downgrade a stock, and then magically they issue a buy recommendation like a day or 2 days or 3 days later after their big clients have had an opportunity to buy the stock on a pullback. Do I think Wall Street is rigged? I don't know, only if you find scumbags obnoxious. If you don't, then no, it's not rigged. It's a level playing field. So all I'm saying is when a stock is moving like this and it's got the shorts on the run and it's a new stock where probably institutions are looking to buy this, this is where the buyings come from. You know, your Aunt Sally isn't buying 29 million shares of stock here. This is institutions scrambling against each other to buy this stock. They're not going to continue to buy it up to 200 without doing something to try to knock this thing down. So don't ask for too much, but you definitely want to keep track of it because it'd be a bummer to sell the thing at 114 and then look at it when it's at 200 and wonder why you got out of everything. So just trade fractionally and don't do anything stupid, okay? And great job on making this trade. This was one that we got on right in the breakout. Not as early as a buddy of mine who actually bought the stock a couple weeks ago down in the 73s. So I told him next time he's going to do something like that, give me a call and I'll go with him.